Welcome back, YouTubers. This is the continuation of the previous question, which was KZN September 2023, where we were dealing with the helicopter moving at the constant velocity at 8 meters per second, going up, and it drops there. The stone from high above, 8 meters high, then the stone continues and come back to hit the ground. The total distance of the height was given as 150. Now we have calculated that the actual time traveled by the stone, the maximum height, was calculated to be 146.7 meters. So the question that follows is 3.4. They say determine the time taken for the stone to reach the ground. Now we need to determine from here how many minutes or seconds or hours did the stone take from going all the way and come here and come back to hit the ground. That is the time that is required of us. Now, for that time, we are going to use delta y is equal to, this is the formula that will be given in the exam room, vi delta t plus half a delta t squared. This is going to be given, and you don't have to worry, but you need to know what formula do you need to use. Here we are going to use this because we have this as 146 meters per second is our height traveled by the stone, and v initial, the initial velocity is 8 meters per second that was used by the helicopter traveling at a constant velocity, and then a is going to be our gravitational due to the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second. Then delta t squared and delta t is what we are looking for. So you're going to go like this: 146.7 meters is equals to, our vi is minus 8 meters. Let's take out the units, so that our work is going to be simple for us. Delta t, our delta t is going to be called t. We're going to use t plus half, a is 9.8 multiplied by t squared. Now what is 9.8 squared? It's going to be, take your calculator, it's 9.8, you divide that by 2, get 4.9. Now it's 146.7 is equals to minus 8t plus 4.9 t squared. If we check here, we see that we cannot factorize this. We are going to use what we call a quadratic formula. Before we can use this quadratic formula, let's rearrange this in a format that it is a standard. It's 4.9 t squared, then minus 8t minus 146.7. Now this is a standard quadratic formula, and our quadratic formula, we are looking for t. It says that x equals to minus b plus minus a root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. But instead of x, we are using t. So we are going to say we need to find t is equals to minus b plus minus a square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Right. This is a question which we must ask ourselves. What are we looking for? We're looking for time. Do we have a negative time? No. So that means this is going to be minus b plus a root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we take this to this side so that we don't have time space there. To calculate our time, we are going to substitute b. What is b in our equation? This is our standard equation. This is the equation that we are going to refer to as in terms of a, b, and c. What is our b? Our b is minus 8. It's minus 8. So the plus minus part has been removed, it's only plus. The square root of b squared, our b squared is minus 8 squared minus 4. Our a is 4.9. And our c is negative 146 multiplied by a negative 146,7, all divided by 2 times a. Our a is 4.9. This is a part of mathematics we all know. You can go and do it, but let us do it together. A negative times negative is positive. 8 plus the square root of 8. 8 squared is 64. Square root of 64. A negative times negative is positive. Now you multiply 4 times 4.9 times 146. 4 times 4.9 times 146.7. You get a 2875,3 divided by 2 times 4.9 is 9.8. Right, from here, it's an 8, a square root of 64 plus 28, 75. Let's add 64 to 28, 75.3. We get plus a square root of 29, 39,3 divided by 9,8. Then a square root of this number, it's 8 plus a square root of 29, 39.3 plus 54,2 divided by 9,8. Then you add that plus 8. You add this plus 8, you're going to get a 62,2 divided by 9,8. We are looking for t, so it must be in second. You divide a 62,2, you divide that by 9,8. Our answer is 6,3. 6,34 seconds. So this is the time that is going to take from the stone to travel from the height of H. The height of H we have calculated to be 3,27. From the 3,27. From 2,37 it is going to up until the maximum height of 146,7. It comes back to hit the ground. It is going to take 6,34 seconds. Right, as we move along, YouTubers, do not forget to comment and to subscribe and like my videos. I thank you very much. The next question is we are going to sketch the velocity time graph that we need to do it together so that you see how is the applicable way of sketching the graph, because that is very important. It comes as the maximum of 4